Thunderfunk with blown modules. Alright, so I have two of these modules that I have to rebuild. They look a little bit different. Alright, luckily these heat sinks fit right over this different size package of transistor. And remember to replace the insulators. These four output devices are insulated, so are the drivers. This should turn out quite well. The finished product. Glad I got to recycle those heat sinks. Pretty good. Alright, this is the other module. And I can see where someone added some capacitors here. What I'm probably going to do is when I swap these transistors out is put this bracket on top of the transistors and hold them against the heatsink. Otherwise, it's almost the same module. One of these is a version A and the other one's a version B. Alright, go ahead and replace this Q9 with an MPSA 42. Replace the CR2 Zener and the CR5 Zener. Those are 1N4734s. Alright, there's what it looks like. Not bad. Once you get this mounted, you want to look down the sides and make sure that those transistors are sitting flat. And of course, you want to put insulators under them. Now, when you take these apart, you want to put it on that end, and then you lift this over, this cover over the metal pieces. Same thing with putting it back together again. You always want to put this end in first because there's a bunch of things under here. So you want the lid locked in place, and then this one pops in. Okay, so they're completed. Just another note is these screws on this side, make sure they're very short because there is stuff on the other side with the power switches, and someone put in some kind of mod switch here. Have no idea what it does, but it sits right back there too.